Today I'm actually so excited because I am bringing you a product that I've been asked to review, and this is a sponsored video. And I want to start off by saying that with a company called HighOh. The founder of the company, Siri, reached out to me and asked me about reviewing their feminine products. They make reusable sanitary napkins and panty liners out of bamboo and charcoal. And so here's the product here. And what I actually have it is the panty liner. I have the panty liner. This is the bamboo charcoal material here. And then this is the uh, water resistant material on the other side. And this portion snaps onto your underwear in order for it to stay in place. I'm excited about this product. I've worn this product for a few days now. She did send me 8 liners, which I'm so grateful. And this is an amazing product. I will tell you, one of the first things that I immediately noticed about this product is I could hardly tell that I had it on. The material is so soft and it's so comforting. You just don't remember that you have it on because you can't feel it. I do know that there is a difference in the texture of the material than my underwear, obviously. So obviously you're wearing the panty liner, but unlike the disposable panty liners, I didn't experience the pulling in my private area with the adhesive that's on the reusable panty liner. I didn't experience the need to want to change out and things like that. I stayed very, very comfortable for the entire day. Second thing that I noticed is that if the liner shifted, it was much easier to grab the liner and just slide it. Unlike the liners with the disposable liners with the adhesive, you can't reposition them. If you pull it off, you have to just throw it away. You're done because the adhesive won't continue to stick, even if it has, especially if it has the wings on it. The other thing I like about these is that, yeah, you do have the wings. I did a little bit of research because that's one of the things that Siri did when she reached out to me. She provided 3 videos. They have a YouTube channel, so anyone who might be interested in this product, I really suggest that you go over to their YouTube channel. Anyway, the other thing that I like is that one of the videos, it talks about the care, how you take care of this product, but it also explains how to remove the product. So for a woman who is actually still menstruating, you have a different process than what I do because I don't worry about the product being soiled. And so the video goes through a process of when the product is fastened to your underwear, you grab it by the wings and you pull it off, but then you can take it and fold it like this without actually touching the soiled product. You flip the wings over and they snap together like this, so you have this neat little package. Well, the other part of the kit that you get is Siri sends you this bag, and this is for you to put your napkins in, and you just take and you just drop it in there and you close it up, and you have this to be able to you know if you're out or whatever, you can bring them home and wash them. They do recommend you can machine wash them or hand wash them. You can put them in the dryer, but they recommend that you let them air dry. They don't recommend that you, or don't advise that you leave them soiled. You want to make sure that you care for them immediately, so that they don't, you don't have such a tough time getting the stain out. And so anyway, I just had a really great time reviewing, using this product, and now I'm reviewing the product, and I really advise anyone who is interested in investing into, reusable feminine products to do so, and do a little research on the materials that she used. Again, there is a video on the HighOh YouTube channel that will tell you, how she came to start using this material. And that's part of her story. But there's a video on there that explains the material, and you can also do your research as well. You can find HighOh on Amazon. They also have a website that you can go and you can check out the products and stuff that they have. As I understand it, they will be expanding their product line. Not really sure when that's going to happen, and exactly what that will entail. But I'm really hoping that this is a long-term relationship with the company HighOh. And as I have opportunities to review their products, I will use the products, review, and then come back and review the products with you, let you know what I think. This is a 100% honest review because I am a hard customer to please when it comes to feminine products, because I've had, some different experiences. But this was a great experience for me. I love the softness of the fabric. I will tell you that they have, this is the panty liner, but they also have the actual sanitary napkin, which is for medium, and it's thicker. You can see the difference in the thickness of the material. And then they also have the overnight panty liners that are overnight sanitary napkins that are a little bit longer. And so she tried to think of every need for the requests that she's gotten. She does do there's a video on there where she does a Q&A and talks through, troubleshooting the use of the products and things like that. And so I'm just very excited for her. I can't wait to see where this company goes in the future. Again, if you are interested in purchasing the products, I'm going to leave the Amazon link in the description box, and I'm also going to make sure that I link their YouTube channel and their website. But thank you for joining me for this review of the HighOh reusable sanitary napkins and panty liners. This was a great experience, and you won't be disappointed. Thank y'all so much for joining me, and as always, love yourself, love somebody else, and until next time, y'all take care. Bye.